Hello, in today's video I will show you how to color the WordPress post content. First, log in your dashboard section, go to post and all posts. After all posts, admin, my post name is admin and edit. Lot of content here and choose the particular paragraph or line. Here I choose the paragraph. Go to block, right hand side and color. Click the color and text color. And here I choose the red one. See my content is red. Okay. And this one, how to change the color, same as color, text color and yellow. This way you can choose your content color. Thank you.